Hello and welcome to another update video about the NASDAQ. We're looking here at the US 100 and yeah, it's currently at least short term here following the forecast in that the NASDAQ has a good chance to still push higher. But it's very early days, right? It's very early days and we can't really confirm it yet fully. The view remains here that we've got, well, there's two possible patterns. Two possible bullish patterns, let's say it like that. The bullish patterns are, first of all, the white wave count is that we moved up here from the low in October to a wave one to the upside, which peaked here around $11,700. We then came down in a wave two. We moved up in a wave three. We've now come down in a wave four, which probably bottomed here around 11,520. And we could now be moving up in this fifth wave. Target for that region would be around 12,800 all the way up to 13,500. That would be the bullish wave count. The alternative or other possibility, they're both likely, is the blue count, which also starts off like the other one, 1, 2. But basically we have an extended wave 3 that we look at here, or there's just, you know, sort of a difference. I could count the wave 3 as just a diagonal pattern, or I try to count it as an impulse. Then we're waiting here for a higher high in wave 3 still. Then there will be the wave 4 and then the wave 5. So there could be one more leg up or two. These are sort of the key levels, as long as, yeah, that's the condition, the $11,343 is holding. That's the 50% FIB level. If the 50% FIB level drops, then this is a really strong sign that this whole move to the upside is not going to work out. And then we have only three waves, A, B, C, and we're going to break down and make probably another low. A warning will already be if the price drops below the low from yesterday. No, it was today, wasn't it? Yeah. So no, it was yesterday. If we drop below the low from yesterday at 11,500 US dollars, then this would be a warning and the first sign that the uptrend is over, because we are, either way, we are in a topping region here. We've already moved up in a wave 1, we've moved down a 2, and we've moved up in possibly a wave 3. Usually a wave 3 is already the first wave where profit taking can take place, before maybe re-entering in a fourth wave, which is this one. But the thing is, sometimes you only get 3 waves and that's just it, and it breaks down. So it is really crucial here to hold the yellow support box, but I think looking at the structure, it would be bad if we lose the low from yesterday, because this would basically confirm very well already that we come down, and then we would be looking at an ABC to the upside, maybe here a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up, and a wave 5 down to make new lows. If we now look at the very short term, so like that, so you can see that, yeah, this was a higher low, so it could very well be here 1, 2, 3, but not convincing yet, you know. To really get a confirmation that we are indeed moving higher in wave 5, we would need a breakout above the wave 3 high at $12,100. So we are generally in a topping region, where we need to be ready that this wave 4 support box could be dropping or failing. But if it holds, and if we continue the breakout and break then above 12,000, well, yeah, $12,085, that would be a really good sign that we're moving up into at least this area here, which starts at around 12,780. We can currently, however, see that on the 1 hour chart, the bullish momentum is increasing on the MACD. We are now, well, no, we're in the higher range of the 1 hour RSI, but that doesn't really mean too much on the 1 hour. It just means that, yeah, we are sort of short term, possibly in some kind of a topping region as well, which doesn't mean, you know, on the 1 hour, we're talking about the 1 hour RSI. This doesn't have a major impact, but it could mean that we go down a bit lower, ideally make a higher low and then go up. Generally looking at the daily chart, you can see we're not yet in the overbought range. We are pushing higher on the RSI, so momentum is still increasing, which is a good sign, and we also still have space to the upside. So I think from an indicator point of view, also the daily, in terms of being exhausted, pushing into that yellow resistance area is certainly possible, right? Momentum is still pushing higher. We have a bullish crossover here on the RSI. MACD seems a bit uncertain here, sideways, but also the MACD line is pushing higher. So yeah, generally the indicators, especially on the daily here, are a little bit more bullish. They are pushing higher, but there's still space as well. And maybe we are currently seeing the beginning of this fifth wave to the upside. Okay, that's my update about the NASDAQ. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.